Thank you for watching the episode of Stewie's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love and make next. Tonight, I've got some hot off the presses kits from BrickCraft. One is a Family Guy, which has Stewie on his trike there. And we'll show the back side real quick. Yep, and then the next one is Bender from Futurama. Here's our second BrickCraft build for the night. We just finished up Bender. There he is. Let's get him opened up here so you can see what it looks like on the inside here. Numbered bags. Always a good thing. Ooh, look how big those trike wheels are. It's going to be a pretty tall build. Alright, so here's Stewie. There you go. There's, you got a little pipe piece there. It's going to be his flag in the back. He looks a little funny, but he always looks a little funny. He got a football for a head. What more do you want from the guy? The instructions look easy enough to follow there. Instructions look easy enough to follow. Yep. Okay, let's see what's in back here. And we got a list of bricks, and we got them in the back as well. ShopBrickCraft.com. And compatible with most other name brands. That's right. So these are Lego size, but not Lego brand bricks. They do work well with Legos, but they are not Legos, my friend. Okay. Here we've even got on this big wheel things there. We've even got little streamers there. That's cool. We'll kind of see interesting what we made those out of. All right. We'll get this put together on camera real quick and give them a good review when we're done. Okay, so we got Stewie done by BrickCraft, a Family Guy, obviously, character. It went together very well. I would say very close to a Lego experience, as we found with a lot of these BrickCraft kits. They assemble really quite nicely. Does he look weird? Absolutely, but he kind of is a weird-looking character anyway. Could they have done better? I'm not sure, but I'm satisfied with it. You can see in the background there, maybe. Stewie's big head's in the way. I got Bender back there as well. So these were two brick kits that my wife found for me. She knows I'm a big fan of Futurama and Family Guy. So we got the two kits. I put them together essentially back to back. I'd recommend both kits. They are a blast. They're very fun if you're into those characters. I think you'll have a good time putting them together. They're not big kits. They're under 500 pieces. So they're only going to take you about an hour and a half, probably, maybe two at the worst to put together. So I upgraded him a little bit, actually. I wanted to make it look like he had a little bit of shocks there on his big wheel. So I removed these two doodads here and replaced them. Can you see that? Sorry. And replaced them with 4 of these on each side. Yeah, so it gives him a little bit look like he's got some shock absorbers on his, on his trike there. I had no missing pieces. A beginner could do these kits without any trouble at all. These are nice and easy to assemble, so you shouldn't have to worry about experience building. Pedals on this bike do move. They're a little stiff, but they do move. It actually works just like a big wheel would. I wish it had a handbrake. That's the only thing that's missing on this big wheel, I feel like. I would love to see more Family Guy builds. I'm not sure if they wanted to try to go, Stewie's pretty big, so if they try to keep his scale, that'd be some pretty large builds there if you're trying to build Peter Griffin, to try to match scale. So they'd have to do something different for him, which I think that'd be fine. It didn't need to be, I don't need a massive build. But it'd be fun to have more characters to build in that universe from BrickCraft. So hopefully they'll keep that in mind, maybe see this video, and maybe add some more just for me. Stewie does come off the trike, so he didn't have to be on there. Maybe it's very Stewie that this spike to keep him on the thing goes right up his butt. But yeah, he stands quite nicely without having to be on the trike. There you go. Thanks again for watching Stone's Reviews. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. Please consider supporting us on Patreon for $3 a month to get ad-free access to our videos. That $3 help you decide what to love making next. Hopefully it's a Stewie on his trike from Family Guy. Alright, thanks for watching. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.